Hello guys, today video I'm gonna show you the tool can help you use multiple accounts to match DM on Instagram. Okay, so you can see on screen, this is my tool that I'm using. So first is the account management function. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Instagram account that you want and to match DM. So first you need to prepare content. So I will go to content management and here we will prepare the content for message that I want to send it. After that, I will prepare the user that I want to send the message. I will go to data management and here I just already scan the username that I want to message and will copy it. After that, I will go to messaging function and in here I will select the account that I want to go to send a message and I will set the basic configuration. So first is the breakable time interaction. I will set from 10 to 20 seconds and I will choose the content. This content I already add in the content management. And because I just choose one content and I will need allow to get content between action and an account. After that, I will enter the username that I want to go to send message. In here, I will write save. Okay, so after everything set up, I just need to press start and let the tool send a message for me. Okay, so you can see on the screen the tool will auto open browser like this, and each browser is an account, and we'll go to search that user and send the message with the script that I already make it in a tool. Okay, so basically I just show you the tool can have you multiple account to mass DM on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you can talk me my Telegram or WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation tool.